right, here it is. This is exactly what I'm looking for. This is gonna be my brand new tool that I'm gonna need at today's job site because I'm gonna be ripping out a Simplisafe system and upgrading it to a Ring alarm system. Stay tuned to see.
Now here we are again at this previous home technology expert project doing some additional upgrades for this wonderful family. Last time we upgraded the internet to make it faster, installing eero Pro Wi-Fi 6E mesh internet, and also we had installed Ring video doorbell along with additional Ring outdoor cameras around the house. Now we're ripping out this old Simplisafe alarm monitoring system that cost a lot of money. It's $30 per month. Ouch. Now what we did is we replaced it with a complete Alexa smart home Ring alarm system that is $17 a month versus $30 a month. That's 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days out of the year, professional 911 monitoring. So it's easier to use, less expensive, and it all works together with the cameras and the DVR and the monitoring. Nice, easy, and simple. So where does the Simplisafe go? Exactly where it belongs, in the trash bag. Yeah, buddy, I am having just way too much fun. Absolutely love making people's lives easier and also saving them money at the same time. Hi-oh, that's right, got some additional hidden talents, right? Okay, so check this out. So this is the Ring outdoor floodlight camera that we installed over the driveway. We also did one by the side gate, side yard. And then we also installed a smart garage conversion kit where you can open and close your garage door, whether you're home or whether you're out of state or at the grocery store. If you want to get something done like this, go to HomeTechExpert.com and click on Schedule a Free Estimate.